Tired of your chats feeling like a black hole of information and missed opportunities? This video will show you how to connect Zapier to your favorite chat app, transforming conversations into automated workflows. First, identify the chat app you want to connect with. Zapier popular options include Slack, Discord, and Microsoft Teams. For this tutorial, let's use Slack as an example. Head over to Zapier and log into your account. If you don't have one, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button. This will start setting up an automated workflow. Now, under Trigger, search for Slack and select it. A trigger is the event in your chat app that starts the Zap. Zapier will then ask you to choose a trigger event, like new channel message. Select the trigger event that makes sense for the type of workflow you want to create. Next, you'll need to connect your Slack account to Zapier. Click the Sign into Slack button and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Make sure you are signing into the correct Slack workspace. Now, customize the trigger. Select the specific Slack channel you want to monitor for new messages. This ensures that the Zap only triggers when a message is sent to the correct channel. Click the plus button to add an action. Search for the app you want to connect with, like Google Sheets. This will be the action app. Then select the action event, such as Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google account to Zapier following the prompts just like you did with Slack. Select your Google account where you would like to store information from the Slack workspace. Here's where the magic happens. You can now map data from the Slack trigger to specific columns in your Google Sheet. For example, you can map the message text to one column, the sender's name to another, and the timestamp to a third. This way, every new message will be automatically added to your sheet. Finally, turn your Zap on and test it out by sending a message in your selected Slack channel. Check your Google Sheet to confirm that the data is being added correctly. Now you've unlocked the power of chat automation.